reached the top. Amazing. Morning guys, how you doing? Today Jackie and I are on an adventure to the Skirrid. It should be awesome. The weather isn't amazing. If you have a look at that, bit cloudy, but it should be really cool. So come and join us guys. See you on the way. The car park is on the B4521, grid ref SO328164. So this route takes you through woodland out onto open mountainside, and there are just the most amazing views at the top. But I tell you what, getting there is something. It is a really steep climb, but it's well worth it. This is our Strava route that we took. It's well worth it, honestly. It's spectacular. Now the first part of this walk is really easy. You just go out of the car park, you turn to the right and you follow the path along. As you can see from this, it's a really straightforward path to follow, and there are also route markers. Just walking up now from the car park and up into the woods. And it is raining, but it's lovely. Something awesome about being in the woods when it's raining. Now following up the track, you will get to a wooden gate and you go through that and you turn left. That's better. You follow this beautiful wall up and around here. Hi guys, doing the walk up the Skirrid with Jackie today in the rain, which is awesome. Skirrid is also known as Sacred Hill or Holy Mountain, and according to the legend, part of the mountain is said to have been broken off at the moment of the crucifixion of Jesus. Just along here, look at these views. Those dramatic clouds. Once you reach the end of the hill, you take the grass footpath, which is on the right hand side of the Skirrid, and it's a very short but sharp climb to the top of the trig point. It is exceptionally steep, most definitely. We're going up there. We're just going up this part. I have to be honest, it is incredibly steep. But the views from the top are going to be worth it, I'm sure. So steep, but it's going to be so worth it. Here I am literally scrambling up on my hands and knees to get to the top because it is absolutely super steep. It's a lot of fun, but yeah, not for the faint-hearted. If you're a bit scared of heights, it might not be the best route to go up, and yeah, extremely steep. And yay, the summit is in sight. Jackie's made it up there. I'm nearly there. We've reached the top. Amazing. So Michael's Church is on the summit and it dates back to medieval times. The Roman Catholic Church was used during the 17th century as a secret location for Mass during the period of persecution. Is that okay?
Yeah. That's good.
Two. Have a look at those photos. These are good.
Yes, your video.
Hi guys.
Hiya.
At the top.
Just down from the top. There's the trick point.
This has got to be one of the best places to have lunch ever. With a view like this.
Yes. We just tucked out and went our way.
Yeah, just tucked out the wind. With a view like that. So just look at these views, they are just so amazing. Look at this. From the trig point you just head south down the ridge until you reach the waymarking post. Revegetation works in progress, please keep on the path. So we can't go that way, we're going to have to go on the path which is down here. When you're 4'11" and you have little legs, there's some very giant steps. But I have to jump down. I've got to jump down these, they're huge. Still got beautiful views though. This is quite sloppy, so it's best to walk sideways down. So we're back now, joining the path and on the way down here through the wood again. Just walking back down now through the woodland. It's beautiful, it's quite hot, it's humid, but it's just a beautiful walk through here. This walk is classed as moderate. It takes about 2 hours. It is 4 miles or 6.4 kilometres. Land Ranger is 161 or Explorer 13. It is dog friendly and it is awesome. If you like the video, please subscribe guys and please give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And then we're back at the car park.